Hi everybody, it's John Davin for mylifechecklists.com, and today I just want to make a short video showing you how you actually access one of our checklists. And I know that you already know about all of my checklists because you watched the other videos. We have a series of 200 different checklists on a variety of topics for your life or your business, and our goal is for you to never have to wonder what you're supposed to be doing next or to look for specific details about your business or your life again. We're going to save you time, and time is money and peace of mind. So you can, as you know, you can type in your name and your email address here. You can get that checklist, plus actually 5 other ones. And then, but I wanted to walk down through here, through where you could access your mission statement. You can also get the business details where you write down your federal ID and your state sales tax, pretty deep stuff there. There's just tons and tons of checklists here, and here's an example of many of the checklists, like my legal information, my mission statement, my why, what I sell, marketing tools, goals, projects, passwords, vendors. The number one thing you need to do today to be more successful, if you want to outsource work. But let's go, I do that, I get so excited, I tell you everything. But let's go ahead and look at my mission statement. And now, this is a Google document, okay, that you can view in Google if you're logged in. You can actually even edit it. So let's say that you're looking at this and you're writing your mission statement for your business with your business partner, and you're in Chicago and they're in New York. You could actually get into the Google Docs page and bring this document up, and you can both edit it together. So you could be putting down a check mark that you created the personal mission statement while they're writing the business statement. Very, very powerful tool. Can you imagine that? We can actually collaborate together through the internet, edit the same document, and save it through Google Docs. But let's say that you're not logged into Google yet. You're not doing that. You just want to actually download this. You can click on download, and then you can actually open it up in Microsoft Word. So let's just do that real quick. Then you open it up, and it's actually open in Microsoft Word because you're going to be editing that checklist. Isn't that awesome? You can just click here and say, yep, I clicked here. I created my mission statement. I have to click on enable editing real quick. There we go. So now you scroll down through here and you can just put a check mark here. Yep, I created my personal mission statement. Then you can go down and type in your personal mission statement. And then you just type in whatever you want. Now, you can save that at that point on your computer. But here, let's go back to how you can use this in other ways. So you can download as, and this is what I think is phenomenal, an EPUB. And then you say open it up. And now it's just like a book that you can scroll through page by page. And it's just sort of nice to do this because when you do that, then you can take your time to read the document. I think it's just a little bit easier than looking at the whole page at one time. And you can think about this. What is my mission statement? And what does it mean to me? And so I can look at examples, right? Now I can even have the software read this to me. Can you believe that? So all I have to do is click here and say read aloud.
Personal mission statement. Your mission statement says what is important to you, your basic goals, and how you can help others. Create individual mission statements for both your business and personal life.
Phenomenal.
They may be similar and include similar items.
So now we got to stop that, and now you're back here where you can just go ahead and go back to the main website, My Life Checklist, and find the checklist you want. And bottom line is, I want to show you just a few of the different checklists that we have. And this is my Word document. But we have just great information here about your elevator speech. If you want to practice that, give you a place to actually write down what you're going to say to somebody if you have a minute or 5 minutes, whatever it is, to tell somebody about you and your business and how you can help them, or even use that for if you're interviewing for a job. And we've got places where you can write down what copyrights and patents you have, and you can actually get links to the websites that you would go to. We have information here about outsourcing to get help. If you need help with projects, we have checklist for writing down what is the number one thing that I can do today to improve my business and move forward. We have where you can write down events. I have sections here for tools, like how to learn how to build a logo or a website or a blog. I tell you about where to find coaches, a checklist for that, how to improve your education. I tell you what, there's 25 different topics here, and I'm just going to leave it at that for right now, that you just need to go to the main website, mylifechecklists.com, and at the top you can just sign up for an email with that first checklist, and actually I've got 4 or 5 more that are going out, day 1, day 2, day 3, so we'll have a new checklist to discuss in the Facebook page. And that's another thing. Yeah, please visit the Facebook page and join the discussion and ask people what they think about the checklist or how they would improve it. You can make suggestions, and you can even request new checklists. So this is John Davin from My Life Checklist. Thanks for being here. Bye.